We found a very scared and skinny dog tied up on a short chain by a house entrance.
You're so skinny.
Her eyes were full of desperation. After talking to her owner, she was only 1 year young and kept on that chain 24/7. She was exposed to the insane heat and sun that we have in Bali. We couldn't let her waste away any longer, and luckily after some negotiation with the family, they released Hope into our care. She was definitely scared, but you could also tell that she trusted us.
I'm so nervous. Let's go home, baby.
We took Hope home. She had absolutely no experience with socializing with other dogs or humans. Whenever we rescue a dog, we would just hold them in our arms and introduce them to the back. They're very, very welcoming to new rescues. She was definitely a bit like, oh my gosh, what's going on? I've never seen another dog in my life. She was very nervous. She was very insecure. That's all she knew because she was kept on a chain.
Hey, Zeppeli. Oh, no.
We were very happy to hear that she's actually fine and that all that she needs now is a lot of food, water, and love. Whenever a dog is fully recovered, we will take them to the beach so they can join our pack walks. To be honest, we were very nervous. She was just happy. She was just bouncing around, and we were just worried for no reason. And she absolutely loves the beach. She's been with us for a year and she recovered so well mentally and physically. And all that is missing to complete her life is a loving, forever home. We see her more in a quiet surrounding with someone who has the patience and sensibility for a shy dog with a gentle personality.
Satu.